This video is made possible through a partnership with Humble Bundle. As a Humble partner, all Humble Bundle purchases through the links in the description below will help support the channel.
M-Page presents how to make a meme-tacular Christmas video. Step 1. If you can, wear something festive. Something that's all up in your face with the Christmas cheer. Step 2. Make an intro where you say whatever you want, but make sure at the end you shout, Christmas! Step 3. Do something wild and crazy, like running into a door. My humps, my lovely lady lumps. Oh no! And step 4. Include a clip of yourself singing a Christmas song. I don't have any clips of me singing any Christmas songs on hand, so I'll just have to borrow a clip from another channel.
Christmas song, I forgot the words because I'm nervous. I'm singing this to distract you, so is it working?
And that's how you'd make a good quick holiday video. But before we move on to the meat of the content today, I would like to present to you with a humble bundle that is near and dear to my heart, the Vegas Pro Even More Creative Freedom Bundle. For this bundle, Humble have partnered themselves with the group known as Magix to bring yourself some great applications to help you make movies and compose music. At the $1 level, you'll get FastCap Plus, which is a quick and easy video editor that is normally valued at $70 US. You also get a $10 voucher code for Producer Planet. Producer Planet is a website where you can find all sorts of cool audio and video assets to use in your projects. Voucher code expires December 31st. Pay above the average, you'll also get SoundForge Audio Studio 12, a powerful audio editing and restoration tool, and Vegas Movie Studio 15, which is another great video editor. And at the max $25 level, you will not only get yourself a copy of Vegas Pro 15 Edit, which is the $400 budget version of Vegas Pro 15, but you will also get the Hit Film Movie Essentials Pack to enhance your editing experience, and also Vegas DVD Architect for creating quality DVDs and Blu-rays. Proceeds from this bundle will support Hilarity for Charity, a nonprofit organization created by a group of comedians who decided to band together to kick owls in the bowels by raising awareness about the real dangers of Alzheimer's and by raising money for Alzheimer's research. Use the link in the description below to access the bundle, and it will help support the channel because you can choose where your money goes. How much goes to Magix, how much goes to Hilarity for Charity, how much goes to Humble, and how much goes to me. And be sure to donate as much as you can because your name can be on the leaderboards if you donate a lot. And what great timing! This offer ends when Santa finishes his rounds and lands back in the North Pole again. Thank you for listening to my bundle rant, and now the video. Hello people, I am M-Page and welcome to another thing. Today we have a very festive thing today, as I decided to make some quality, wholesome content this holiday season because I am going to show you my method of wrapping presents. It's not the best method, mind you, but it's the one I do. So let's get to it. You're going to need some wrapping paper, the present of course, a scissors, and some tape. I recommend Scotch tape, but you can use pretty much any brand. And if you're a little kid or your parents don't exactly trust you with scissors, ask a grown-up for help, please. Okay, so first we want to make sure we get the right amount of paper to cover the length of the present. So let's roll the paper back some until we get to like an area that we can use. Like the first thing you want to do, especially if you have old paper like mine, is find the parts that you can't use because they have holes or tears in them and cut them off post-haste. Oh shoot, slipped, come on. It keeps moving. Oh, I'm slipped. There we go. Next, we roll out our own set of paper equivalent to the dimensions of the present. Ideally, you want to reach like 1.5 size in case you want to cover your tracks. So let's see, we got this. It's like trying to map out one of those in 3D shapes in 2D like you do in geometry or something. Okay, so it's that side down, and then this, and then we go this side up, and then this. Wait, hold on. No. Okay, this, and then this, and then this, and then this. I think I'll actually do it from the corner because, like, I can save paper that way. So, I think right here and right here. So cut from here. Whoa, that was close. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Right. And then from here, do the same. Alright, here we go. Alright, so now that we have our sensible little piece, you just gotta start the covering up. So, like, ideally you want to go like half and half, but it seems I underestimated the amount. As you can see, there's a little more here. But if you make a mistake, don't worry. You can always just dual layer the wrapping paper, and no one will know the difference. So I want to hold this in place. So this is the part where we need the tape. So we'll just tape it right here. And now let's get the sides. You want to make sure you fold the sides up so that the side is covered. And of course you need more tape. Where's the... Come on. Okay, and place that strip down here. Let's get the other side too. And now we get the other side. So I just gotta fold this up. Oh, shoot, come on. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, that was a bad piece, but always make the best of a bad situation. Kind of like my YouTube channel. Now, if you're not careful, it might not look neat like this, but that's okay, as long as everything's covered. I missed a strip right here, so let's cover that up by just grabbing a quick little piece of wrapping paper here. It's big enough to cover, so that works. Let's just tape it down. Now, when you see that big bulbing strip hanging out, people think it's lazy, but the trick with that is, like, you can just write to whatever from whatever on it, and they'll be like, oh yeah, suddenly now that makes sense that you had that there. You're such a crafty genius, you're like the MacGyver of Christmas presents. Or something like that. The trick is to tape down the points of entry so that they don't peak. This is a present from my dad. He loved the Black Sabbath at the End concert, and I bought this at FYE for him. So there you have it. A wrapped Christmas present. It doesn't look pretty, but not everything these days has to look pretty. It has to do the job. And as long as people can appreciate the effort that you actually put into wrapping the thing, it beats any extra fee that Amazon charges for them to wrap it, because you'll know they wrapped it because you know it don't look like crap. So that's my wholesome piece of Christmas content for today. I'd like to wish you all a very happy holiday, whatever you celebrate. I love making Christmas content personally, because Christmas is like the holiday that most everybody loves, and the SJW snowflakes love to hate. I'm glad I can get something out to bring in the holiday mood. And you're probably watching this on a YouTube premiere right now. I can see you all chatting, and I'm probably chatting with you back. And I'm glad we're doing that, because it's little moments like these that make the holidays special and what keeps the Christmas spirit going on for long after the holiday's over. It's like Christmas is a time for giving. It is a time for family and friends. Like, sure, they can say it's about the birth of Jesus, but even if you don't believe the particular religion, Christmas is a holiday for everyone. It's like the one holiday that seculars can come together and give a resounding response of, eh. But no matter what you celebrate, I wish you all a happy holidays from the Neo Show. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.